your YouTube, search for Stukeley Meadows, watch on your big screen. Get yourself comfy, this could take a while, what a happy scene. Something new every day for your long-term memory. This is so exciting, it is nearly time for a Stukeley assembly.
Oh, good morning everyone, and welcome to your final short and sweet 60-second Stukeley assembly on Friday the 30th of October 2020. Okay, today's retrieval. What did Evel Knievel ride to make him famous? And in which year was he born? And in which country was he born? That's a new one. Okay, today's challenge. You need to get a sheet of paper and you need to write and draw out everything that you know about Evel Knievel. You can try and organise it in a special way. Do that, take a photo, tweet it into the Stukeley account, and we'll put a collection of Evel Knievel retrieval up for everyone. Okay, today's message. You haven't got long left of your half-term break. Pick something to do as a small group of friends, or do something as a family. Do something great and that makes you happy, and you can tell us about it when we come back.